In this video, we are going to see how we should write instructions and why we should write clear instructions. The motto here has to be keep it simple. Why? Because computer needs to understand each and every instruction given by the user. Computer does not have any brain of its own, so it will follow your instruction to the letter and spirit. Instructions are the building block of any program and hence any software. So you should write instructions that are clear, unambiguous. They should not be vague. Giving clear instructions is crucial to building a successful program. Now let's see what is an expression. Expression in a program is a sequence of operators and operands to do an arithmetic or logical operation. Instruction, whatever instruction we are telling the computer, that instruction is implemented as an expression. Let's see example of valid expressions so that you can understand what it is. Comparing two values, defining a variable, n is equal to 2, that would be a valid expression. Arithmetic calculations using one or more variables, retrieving data from the database, updating values in a database. These are all examples of valid expressions that you will need to write when you are creating a module. Writing unambiguous expressions is a skill that must be developed by every programmer. This is a skill that you must acquire if you want to write programs that run smoothly, test properly, because they have got very few errors. So here are some points that you must keep in mind while writing the expressions. Unambiguous result. The evaluation of expression must give clear-cut result. You look at the expression, you think that okay, this should be the result, but actually when it is executed by the computer, some other result comes. Let's take an example. You can see this operator plus plus. This is a unary operator of addition. What it does, it is supposed to add 1 to the number to which it is attached. So whatever is the value of a, the final value will be a plus 1. Okay, so that is the operation or the function of this operator. Now I have written a is equal to 10, I is equal to a plus plus. Here I have written a is equal to 10 and I have written I is equal to plus plus a. Here the operator is after the number and here the operator is before the number or the variable. Now just see how that makes a difference. After evaluation of this, the value of I will be 10 and a will be 11. Why? Because first this operation will be carried out, equal to sign. So I equal to a is 10, so I will be 10 and a will then be incremented by 1, so that is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. However, in this case, it will be incremented first, that means 1 will be added first and then I will be given the value. So here I is equal to 11 and a is equal to 11. Now using the same operator, two different results are being obtained, that is ambiguity. It is not clear. You should avoid using such operators or expressions in your program. Avoid complex expressions. Complex expressions? Trying to do too many things in the same operation or the same expression. For example, this expression itself, if I take here, you are trying to assign the variable I, the value of a, and also you are trying to increment the value of a by 1. So here actually you are doing two operations, I is equal to a and a is equal to a plus 1. So why not write two simple expressions to do that? That will make your life also easier and the life of the computer also easier. The program will evaluate correctly. So these are some of the guidelines that you should follow when you are writing expressions. Here we have understood how to write clear instructions. In the next video, we are going to cover how to write simple sentences.